Mandela, Mary Manette Pineda, Paldeng family, Emeline Guevara Angeles, Mr. and Mrs. Lenin Malang and family, Angie Bondok Liklikan, Ronel Siron, Manapul Adriano family, Cristilin Nilo, Galanga family, Daryl Francis Sanchez, Derek and Flor Sanchez and family, for the speedy recovery, safety, good health, and complete healing of Nilo Udan, Gloria Arevalo, Benson Ong Sr., Carmelita Tiglao, Romy Bognot, Felicidad Reyes, Melissa Villanueva, Ruby Garcia Pamintuan, Louis Dueñas, and all our sick relatives and friends, for the guidance and protection of the family of Ani Razon and family of Antonio and Osapina Guevara, and for the eternal repose of the souls of Norma, Marian Ocampo, Nancy Ocampo, Manuel Tongyo, Mark Louis Tongyo, Juanita Lagason, General Amado de Mata, Fernando Santos, Alvaro Baro, Alvin Pineda, Victoria Benitez Lobo, Asuncion Gonzalez, Nelson Garma, Marlene Vita, Armando Leo Bihildo Narciso, Jose Sibal, Doroteo Tuason, Emerlita Franco David, Joel Redoblado, Eloisa Dagdag, Jose N. Perlayason, Benny Tapia, Temuchi de la Cruz, Erlinda Cerezo, Evelo Carrion, Catalina Carrion, and all souls in purgatory, and also for our safety against the COVID-19 pandemic, for the speedy recovery and complete healing of all those affected by this coronavirus, for the eternal repose of all those who died because of this pandemic, for the safety of all our frontliners.